He had nothing, but still chose to give. For weeks, Furby had gathered food, just enough to survive. But then he saw it. Furby had worked so hard to save his food, but the squirrel was starving. His heart ached. He couldn't just walk away. So he did the only thing he could. He gave what little he had, expecting nothing in return. A small gift, but it meant everything. That night, Furby slept with less, but somehow he felt full. Morning came, and because of Furby, the squirrel was ready to face another day. True kindness is giving even when you have little.